brazier's done today. Got 3 braziers.
Yeah.
That's big.
I mean,
it's a new product.
Yeah, in the scale of time, getting those around is big for us. I mean, I see that as another, like the tools, is it takes a lot of R&D, but once you have it, you have it.
We get those going. Like I said, you can come back and then you can just start making parts.
Yeah, because everything for those, for a bunch of those, is cut and ground, except
we got
for
legs.
Yeah, we got legs, except for the handles and the latches. But that's something we can learn. That's a lot easier than grinding a bunch of those corners off.
Yeah, we gotta make the grills up. All those up. That's not what we got all the other pieces of parts. Just make sure you get some of those together. So what we're going to do is, I've got a flatter here. Well, it's not a flatter there. That would work. These just odds and ends here.
I believe so.
I don't think they're anything particular.
Got a flatter somewhere. Where's my smallest flatter at? Right there. He's a little bigger than I really want, but he's what I got. I had a really nice little one and it just flat disappeared on me. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to set this, and then I'm going to hit there, and then I'll bring that back down too. See, I'm going to put that flatter there. I'm just going to put that, drive that step into that.
Do you want me to hold anything?
Yeah, you're actually going to, well, no, I can't hold 3 things. So what we're going to do is you're going to hold the piece of hot material.
Okay.
And then I'll put my there, and then I'll come back and bring that down. Ready?
Yep.
There you go. So just put, yeah, a little more. About right there. No, that didn't work at all like I thought it would, but it's not too bad.
I don't think so.
Nip that and make a little latch there. Okay. Go back just a little bit, about right there. Round edges on those.
Yeah.
Grind those up a little bit. Then the latches we need to drill holes in.
Oh man, I'm creaky.
Yeah.
How am I going to keep that from flopping?
Why don't you just set that magnet in there?
I could do that.
So what we've got now is a latch assembly. Middle of the door, you think?
I think it's fine.
Probably. And then we've got a catch. I think that geometry right there is about perfect. Don't you?
What do you want the latch to rest? Oops. Damn it. I think that
Work.
looks good. Yeah.
Okay. That's a nice one there. Man.
It's almost like we know what we're doing.
Almost. And close that bottle.
Shut the light off.
Yeah. I really think that's the last welds.
Yeah.
Think we should hit that inside?
Probably just to be safe.
Yeah, let's just hit it.